So many of the participants are asking what is the Arcade Insider? What kind of mail it is? Why everyone is talking about it? We are confused. Can you make a simple informative video related to this topic? So here is the video. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, to like the video and to hype the video too. Coming to the topic directly, and we'll brief you some of the important things. So what is the Arcade Insider? Arcade Insider is an email. Let me show you the email directly. So this is the email. It's Arcade Insider. Here, whatever points you are earning. For example, you are completing the cohort 1 of the 2026. You can see these are the games. Below it, the arcade points are mentioned. And you must be knowing that just by completing the arcade games, whatever points you earn, it gets compiled up and you get some cool swag. So whatever points you are earning, okay, you can call in simple words, it's kind of monthly statement. Okay, monthly statement, whatever balance you are having, for example, whatever points you are earning, consider it as a coin, and the Arcade Insider as monthly statement. So whatever points you are earning from the time it started till the deadline, from a particular time it will be having a range, I will tell you. Till that time, whatever points you have earned will be listed over there. For example, let me show you previous Arcade Insider email. So this is the final insider email, but every year they start fresh insider email, and each month around 10 to 12 or 9 to 8 date. Like for example, it started from 9th, so you can expect the next insider email to be out by February second week or by end of first week. So it can announce anytime. Do not worry, I'll make a video whenever the mails are out. So the insider email contains the points which you have earned. For example, here you can see we have earned 96 points. Now they will tell you from which point time they have shared the points. Means many of you may get confused that I have earned 10 points and the mail it's showing 9 points only. So they will mention the details, like it includes all the arcade points which started from 6th of, from where, when did the game start? It started from 5th of January. So it will mention in the next insider that this total includes the arcade points collected from 5th of January till uh, first week of February, whatever date will be there, they will mention over here. Okay, and here you won't be seeing any bonus point because the event is still started only, and more games will be coming. So it will just, in simple words, if you want to understand that it's insider email, it's a monthly statement. Whatever points you have earned in the arcade challenges and by completing the games will be listed over here. It will contain all the points. Avoid any random calculators, because many people what they use random calculators available online, due to which they said, and the calculator it showed they have on 96 points, and now they are commenting. If you just check the channel insider video also, they are commenting I have received 75 points only, but in the calculator it was showing 96, so we are confused. So that's why always check official source. This Arcade Insider is directly fetched and updated through your records present in the Google Cloud team. Okay, so make sure to check the Arcade Insider next month. And now how you can ensure that you will be getting the Arcade Insider email. So for that, you have to come to the Arcade homepage, and here you can see the subscribe here option is there. So first of all, make sure you subscribe the channel, and now coming to the subscribe here option, you have to click on it, and now you have to enter the same email with which you have created the Cloud Skills Boost account. Do not use any random email, another email, just use the same email with which you have created this Cloud Skills Boost account. You have to simply mention your email, next, next, and just submit. Let me show you a basic demo over here. You have to just paste it, next, and after that simply come over here, check this box and just submit it. Okay, once you submit it, a copy of the same whatever you have filled, you can just check it whether you have filled the correct email or not, and after that you can just verify. After you get the correct email, you have entered the correct email and you have received this email, means the form copy in the correct email, that means you are insured and you will be getting Arcade Insider from the next month. Many of you are asking that I am watching this video late. Like if you are watching this video in April, May, or even in June, you can subscribe to Arcade anytime. Okay, before the event closes. There is no any limitation. Like it's a registration form, you can say. So I hope it clears your doubt. Coming to the channel, if you have similar doubts related to arcade challenges, how to start, you can come to the description box or also come to the playlist section. Here you can see all these videos for all of you is present over here. If you want to know what is the arcade program, you can watch this video. If you want to directly participate in the channel, you can challenge, you can watch this video. I hope it clears your doubt. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. Complete solution guides are already live in the channel for arcade games. You can just see, and complete it as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.